In order to solve product activation failed on Microsoft Word, first of all, you have to close all your Office applications. And after that, you have to go to this PC and from here, open your C drive. From here, go to your program files folder. From here, open your Microsoft Office folder. From here, select your related installed Office applications. For my instance is Office 365. Open Office 16, and from here you have to find the file named ospprearm.exe. Choosing this, click right, and from here you have to run it as administrator. Clicking yes, and repeat this process 3 times. Second time, run as administrator, click yes, and last one, once again, run as administrator, click OK, close this folder and open Microsoft Word, and as you can see, product activation failed issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video.